Start with simple fixes. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then off. This forces your phone to re-register with the network. Check your SIM card. Ensure it's properly seated and undamaged. Look for the gold contacts shown here. Update your phone's software and carrier settings. Go to Settings, System, System Update. For iOS, update carrier settings by going to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. On Android, check APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. For advanced Android troubleshooting, 46366 tap to access network settings. As of 2025, T-Mobile's app includes AI diagnostics to help diagnose and resolve CEL02 in real time. If these steps don't work, contact T-Mobile support. About 68% of users resolve CEL02 through self-help. The issue could also be on T-Mobile's end, such as during network maintenance, like in California 2024.